Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can clear all the cache and junk of your Windows in order to speed up the Windows performance and also to boost the performance of your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. Now first is we are going to open the run window by clicking the Windows key and R button together, or you can just simply make a right click at the start button and then click on run. That's under search. In here in the run window, we are going to type TEMP to open the temp folder. Click on OK. Now here you have to click on one file and then click Control plus A on keyboard. Now in my case, I have just cleaned up my Windows. That's why I have less files right here under the temp folder. But in your case, you might have a lot of folders right here in the temp folder, or you might have a lot of files. Then you just have to simply click on Control plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. And then do this for all the current items and click on skip. And if not all of the folders or files will be deleted, then that is totally fine because these are used by some programs on your Windows. So that is totally fine. And then close this window. Then press the Windows key and R button together again to open the run window. This time you're going to type percentage TEMP percentage and then click on OK. Now the same thing, click on one file and then press Control plus A on keyboard, and then you have to click the delete bin at the top. Do this for all the current items and just click on skip. Again, not all of these files will be deleted and that is totally fine. Anyway, there are still a lot of files that has been deleted and that is a great thing. Then press the Windows key and R button together again. This time we're going to type prefetch. It's prefetch, 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 and click on OK. Now this folder is empty because again, I have just cleared the cache and junk on my Windows. But in your case, if there are a lot of folders right here, then you just have to simply click Control plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. Once done, simply close this window. Then for the final method is we are going to perform a disk cleanup. So in the Windows search bar, type here disk clean up. It's disk cleanup under the best match, or you can simply press the Windows key and R button together and type clean mgr and hit enter, and the same window will appear. Now you have to select a drive where you want to clean up. So Windows C drive is chosen by default, and I'm also going to go with the Windows C drive and then click on OK. Then here in the disk cleanup for Windows, there are a lot of files to delete right here. Now you just have to simply click on all of these boxes or check all of these boxes, especially in the recycle bin. If there are files in your recycle bin that you're not going to use, then you just have to completely delete that. So simply check all of these boxes. Now the total amount of disk space that I will gain once I will delete all of these files will be 56.4 MB. Then I just have to click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Then I'll just go with delete files. Now the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on my machine, so I'm just going to wait for that. And in your case, you just need to wait for that until it's done. So once done, then you just have to simply or finally make a restart of your Windows by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So once you restart your Windows, then the performance of your Windows will also be faster and will be boosted this time because you have just cleared the cache and junk of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.